Python Class 4, Modules and Packages. White heavy check mark 1. What is a module? A module is a Python file, .py, that contains code, functions, classes, or variables that you can reuse in other programs. Helps in organizing code. Makes code more modular and easier to maintain. Python has built-in modules and you can create your own. White heavy check mark 2. Creating and importing modules. Small blue diamond 2.1 Create a module. 1. Create a new file named my_module.py. 2. Add the following code, #my_module.py. Def greet, name print, f hello, name. Small blue diamond 2.2 Importing a module. You can import a module using the import statement, #main.py. Import my_module. My_module.greet, Shivakaran. Output, hello, Shivakaran. Small blue diamond 2.3 Import with from. You can import specific functions or variables from a module using from. From my_module import greet. Greet, Shivakaran. Small blue diamond 2.4 Import with an alias. You can give an alias to a module using as. Import my_module as greet, Shivakaran. Small blue diamond 2.5 Importing all from a module. You can import everything from a module using star. From my_module import star. Greet, Shivakaran. White heavy check mark 3. Built-in modules. Python comes with many built-in modules like mathematical operations. Random generate random values. OS interact with the operating system. Sys system-specific operations. Datetime work with date and time. Small blue diamond 3.1 Math module. Import math. Print, math.sqrt, 16, #4.0. Print, math.factorial, 5, number 120. Print, math.py, #3.14159. Small blue diamond 3.2 Random module. Import random. Print, random.randint, 1, 10, #random integer between 1 and 10. Print, random.choice, apple, banana, cherry, #random element from a list. Small blue diamond 3.3 Datetime module. From datetime import datetime, now equals datetime.now. Print, now.strtime, %y-%m-%d%h%m%s, #March 20th, 2025, 14:30 and 15 seconds. Small blue diamond 3.4 OS module. Import OS. Print, os.getcode, #current working directory. os.dir, new_folder, #create a new directory. Small blue diamond 3.5 Sys module. Import sys. Print, sys.version, #Python version. White heavy check mark 4. Creating your own module. Small blue diamond 4.1 Example, create a module named calculator.py. #calculator.py. Def add, x, y return x plus y, def subtract, x, y return x, y. Small blue diamond 4.2 Import and use. Create a file main.py to use this module, from calculator import add, subtract. Print, add, 5, 3, number 8. Print, subtract, 10, 4, number 6. White heavy check mark 5. __name ___ and __main__. When a Python file is executed, the __name ___ variable is set to __main__. If the file is imported as a module, __name ___ becomes the module's name. Small blue diamond example, #my_module.py. Def greet, print, hello from module. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore greet. When executed directly, hello from module. When imported, import my underscore module. Hashtag no output unless you call my underscore module.greet. White heavy check mark 6. What is a package? A package is a collection of modules organized in a directory with a special underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py file. The underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py file makes the directory a package. Small Blue Diamond 6.1 Create a package. 1. Create a directory named my underscore package. 2. Inside my underscore package, create an underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py file. Hashtag underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. Print, initializing my underscore package. 3. Add a module operations.py in the package. Hashtag operations.py. Def add x, y return x plus y, def subtract x, y return x, y. Small Blue Diamond 6.2 Importing from a package. Import the module from the package, hashtag main.py. From my underscore package.operations import add, subtract. Print, add, 5, 3, number 8. Print, subtract, 10, 4, number 6. Small Blue Diamond 6.3 Import entire package. You can import the whole package, import my underscore package.operations as Opps. Print, Opps.add, 2, 3, number 5. White heavy check mark 7. Underscore underscore all underscore underscore in underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. You can control what gets imported with asterisk using underscore underscore all underscore underscore. Example, hashtag underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. Underscore underscore all underscore underscore equals, operations. White heavy check mark 8. Example package structure. My underscore project slash main.py. My underscore package slash underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. Operations.py. Math underscore utils.py. White heavy check mark 9. Installing external packages. You can install third-party packages using pip install requests. Example, import requests. Response equals requests.get, https://www.example.com. Print, response.status underscore code. White heavy check mark 10. Example programs. Small Blue Diamond example 1, create a module to calculate the area of shapes. 1. Create a module shapes.py, def area underscore circle, radius return 3.14 asterisk radius 2, def area underscore square, side return side 2. 2. Import and use, from shapes import area underscore circle, area underscore square. Print, area underscore circle, 5, hashtag 78.5, print, area underscore square, 4, number 16. File handling. White heavy check mark 1. What is file handling? File handling in Python allows you to read, write, and manipulate files stored on your system. Files can be of different types: text files, .txt, .csv, .json. Binary files, .jpg, .png, .pdf. White heavy check mark 2. Opening and closing files. Small Blue Diamond 2.1 Open function. Use the open function to open a file. Syntax: file equals open, file name, mode. Small blue diamond 2.2 example, open and close a file. File equals open, example.txt, w, hashtag open in write mode. File.write, hello, world. File.close. White heavy check mark 3. Writing to a file. Small blue diamond 3.1 write mode, w, overwrites the file if it exists. Creates a new file if it does not exist. File equals open, data.txt, w. File.write, Python file handling example. File.close. Small blue diamond 3.2 append mode, appends to the existing content without overwriting. If the file does not exist, it creates a new one. File equals open, data.txt, File.write, / and this is a new line. File.close. Small blue diamond 3.3 example, write multiple lines. File equals open, data.txt, w. Lines equals, Python / n, file handling / n, example / n. File.write lines, lines. File.close. White heavy check mark 4. Reading from a file. Small blue diamond 4.1 read mode, R. You can read the content of a file using read, readline, or readlines. Small blue diamond 4.2 read entire file. File equals open, data.txt, R. Content equals file.read. Print, content. File.close. Small blue diamond 4.3 read first n characters. File equals open, data.txt, R. Content equals file.read, 10, hashtag read first 10 characters. Print, content. File.close. Small blue diamond 4.4 read line by line. Use read line to read one line at a time. File equals open, data.txt, R. Line equals file.readline. Print, line. File.close. Small blue diamond 4.5 read all lines into a list. Use read lines to read all lines into a list. File equals open, data.txt, R. Lines equals file.readlines. Print, lines. File.close. White heavy check mark 5. Using with statement. The with statement automatically closes the file after use. Prevents file handling errors and resource leaks. Small blue diamond 5.1 example, with open, data.txt, R, as file, content equals file.read. Print, content, hashtag no need to close the file. White heavy check mark 6. File pointer. The file pointer indicates the current position in the file. Use seek and tell to manage it. Small blue diamond 6.1 tell, get current position. With open, data.txt, R, as file, print, file.tell, number 0, beginning of the file, file.read, 5. Print, file.tell, number 5, after reading 5 characters. Small blue diamond 6.2 seek, move to specific position. With open, data.txt, R, as file, file.seek, 10, hashtag move to the 10th byte. Print, file.read, hashtag read from the 10th byte onwards. White heavy check mark 7. File modes, binary files. Use B to work with binary files, like images, videos, etc. Small blue diamond 7.1 writing binary data. With open, sample.jpg, RB, as file, data equals file.read. With open, copy.jpg, WB, as file, file.write, data. White heavy check mark 8. Checking if a file exists. Use the OS module to check if a file exists. Import OS. If os.path.exists, data.txt print file exists. Else, print file does not exist. White heavy check mark 9. Deleting a file. Use the OS module to delete a file. Import OS. If os.path.exists, data.txt os.remove, data.txt. Else, print file does not exist. White heavy check mark 10. Working with CSV files. Small blue diamond 10.1 write to CSV. Import CSV. Data equals with open data.csv w new line equals as file writer equals csv.writer file writer.write rows data. Small blue diamond 10.2 read from CSV. Import CSV. With open data.csv r as file reader equals csv.reader file. For row and reader, print row. White heavy check mark 11. Working with JSON files. Small blue diamond 11.1 write to JSON. Import JSON. Data equals name Shivakaran, age 25, language Python. With open data.json w as file json.dump data file. Small blue diamond 11.2 read from JSON. Import JSON. With open data.json r as file data equals json.load file. Print data. White heavy check mark 12. Error handling in file operations. Use try except blocks to handle file errors. Try with open non_exist_in_file.txt r as file content equals file.read. Except file not found error, print file not found. Except exception is e, print an error occurred, e. White heavy check mark 13. Example programs. Small blue diamond example 1, copy a file. With open source.txt r as source, with open destination.txt w as destination write source.read. Small blue diamond example 2, count words in a file. With open data.txt r as file words equals file.read.split. Print number of words len words. Small blue diamond example 3, reverse content of a file. With open data.txt r as file content equals file.read. With open data.txt w as file file.write content :1. White heavy check mark 14. Homework. 1. Write a program to create a file and write multiple lines to it. 2. Write a program to copy the contents of one file to another. 3. Write a program to count the number of vowels in a text file. 4. Write a program to read a CSV file and display its contents. 5. Write a program to store a dictionary in a JSON file and read it back. Exception handling. White heavy check mark 1. What is exception handling? An exception is an error that occurs during program execution, causing the program to stop unexpectedly. Small blue diamond common causes of exceptions, dividing by 0. Accessing a non-existent file. Incorrect data types. Index out of range. Small blue diamond example, without exception handling x equals 10/0 #0 division error. Print x. Output 0 division error, division by 0. White heavy check mark 2, try except block. You can handle exceptions using try and except blocks. Syntax, try, hashtag code that may cause an exception. Except, hashtag code to handle the exception. Small blue diamond example, try x equals 10/0, except, print, an error occurred. Output, an error occurred. White heavy check mark 3. Catching specific exceptions. You can catch specific exceptions using the exception name. Syntax, try, hashtag code that may cause an exception. Accept exception type, hashtag code to handle the exception. Small blue diamond example, try x equals 10/0, accept 0 division error, print, cannot divide by 0. Output, cannot divide by 0. White heavy check mark 4. Catching multiple exceptions. You can handle different exceptions separately. Syntax, try, hashtag code that may cause an exception. Accept value error, hashtag code to handle value error. Accept 0 division error, hashtag code to handle 0 division error. Small blue diamond example, try x equals int, abc, hashtag value error. Accept value error, print, invalid value. Accept 0 division error, print, cannot divide by 0. Output, invalid value. White heavy check mark 5. Using a single except for multiple exceptions. You can catch multiple exceptions using a tuple. Syntax, try, hashtag code that may cause an exception. Accept, type error, value error hashtag code to handle type error and value error. Small blue diamond example, try x equals int, abc, accept, value error, type error print, invalid operation. Output, invalid operation. White heavy check mark 6. Using else with try except. The else block executes if no exception is raised. Syntax, try, hashtag code that may cause an exception. Accept, hashtag code to handle exception. Else, hashtag code to run if no exception occurs. Small blue diamond example, try x equals 10/2, accept 0 division error, print, cannot divide by 0. Else, print, division successful. Output, division successful. White heavy check mark 7. Using finally with try except. The finally block always executes, even if an exception occurs. Used to clean up resources, like closing files. Syntax, try, hashtag code that may cause an exception. Accept, hashtag code to handle exception. Finally, hashtag code that always runs. Small blue diamond example, try x equals 10/0, accept 0 division error, print, cannot divide by 0. Finally, print, cleaning up resources. Output, cannot divide by 0. Cleaning up resources. White heavy check mark 8. Raising exceptions, raise. You can manually raise an exception using the raise keyword. Syntax, if condition, raise exception, error message. Small blue diamond example x equals -5. If x less than 0, raise value error, negative value not allowed. Output, value error, negative value not allowed. White heavy check mark 9. Defining custom exceptions. You can define your own exception by creating a class that inherits from exception. Syntax, class myError, exception pass. Small blue diamond example, class negative number error, exception pass. X equals -10, try, if x less than 0, raise negative number error, negative numbers are not allowed. Accept negative number error as e, print, e. Output, negative numbers are not allowed. White heavy check mark 10. Full example with try, except, else, finally, and raise. Def divide, x, y try, if y equals 0, raise 0 division error, you cannot divide by 0. Result equals x/y except 0 division error as e, print, e. Else, print, f result, result. Finally, print, execution completed. Hashtag test cases. Divide, 10, 2. Divide, 10, 0. Output, result, 5.0. Execution completed. You cannot divide by 0. Execution completed. White heavy check mark 11. Common Python exceptions. White heavy check mark 12. Example programs. Small blue diamond example 1, handle division by 0. Try, number equals int, input, enter a number. Result equals 100/number. Print, result, result. Except zero division error, print, cannot divide by zero. Except value error, print, invalid input. Small blue diamond example 2, handle file not found error. Try, with open, non-existent.txt, r, as file, print, file.read. Except file not found error, print, file not found. Small blue diamond example 3, catching multiple exceptions. Try x equals int, abc. Y equals 10/0. Except, value error, zero division error print, an error occurred. Small blue diamond example 4, custom exception. Class age error, exception pass. Age equals -5, try, if age 0, raise age error, age cannot be negative. Except age error as E, print, E. White heavy check mark 13. Homework. 1. Write a program that handles value error and zero division error when dividing two numbers. 2. Write a program to catch index error when accessing an out-of-range list index. 3. Write a custom exception for negative input values. 4. Create a program that reads a file and handles file not found error. 5. Create a program that raises an exception if the input is not a positive integer. Object-oriented programming, OOP. White heavy check mark 1. What is object-oriented programming, OOP? Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming approach where you organize code into classes and objects to model real-world entities. A class is a blueprint for creating objects. An object is an instance of a class with its own attributes and methods. Small blue diamond example. You want to create a program for cars. Instead of creating individual variables for each car, you can create a car class. Then you can create objects like car1, car2, etc. from that class. White heavy check mark 2. Class and object. Small blue diamond class. A class defines the properties and behavior of an object. Small blue diamond object. An object is a concrete instance created from a class. Example, class car, def start, self-print, car is starting. Hashtag creating an object. My_car equals car. My_car dot start. Explanation, 1, class car, defines a class named car. 2, def start, self a method that defines the behavior of the class. 3, my_car equals car, creates an object of the car class. For my_car.start, calls the start method using the object. Output, car is starting. White heavy check mark 3. __init__, method. The __init__, method is a special method that is called when an object is created. It initializes the object's attributes. Example, class car, def__init__, self, brand, model self.brand equals brand. Self.model equals model. Def display, self-print, f, self.brand, self.model. Hashtag creating an object. Car1 equals car, Toyota, Camry. Car1.display. Explanation, 1, def__init__, self, brand, model initializes brand and model. 2, car1 equals car, Toyota, Camry, creates an object with values. 3, car1.display, prints the car details. Output, Toyota Camry. White heavy check mark 4. Instance variables and class variables. Instance variables defined inside the __init__, method, unique for each object. Class variables shared across all objects of the class. Example, class car, wheels equals 4 hashtag class variable. Def__init__, self, brand self.brand equals brand hashtag instance variable. car 1 equals car, Toyota. Car 2 equals car, Honda. Print, car1.brand, hashtag instance variable. Print, car.wheels, hashtag class variable. Explanation: 1. Wheels equals 4 shared by all objects. 2. Self.brand equals brand unique for each object. 3. Car1.brand accesses instance variable. 4. Car.wheels accesses class variable. Output: Toyota. 4. White heavy check mark 6. Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to inherit the properties and methods of another class. Example: class vehicle, def start, self-print, vehicle is starting. Class car, vehicle def drive, self-print, car is driving. Hashtag create object of car class. Car equals car. Car.start, hashtag inherited method. Car.drive, hashtag own method. Explanation: 1. Vehicle parent class. 2. Car, vehicle, inherits from vehicle. 3. Car.start, inherited from parent class. 4. Car.drive, defined in child class. Output: vehicle is starting. Car is driving. White heavy check mark 7. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows a single interface to represent different types. Example: class animal, def sound, self-print, animal sound. Class dog, animal def sound, self-print, dog barks. Class cat, animal def sound, self-print, cat meows. Hashtag polymorphism. Animals equals dog, cat. For animal and animals, animal.sound. Explanation: 1. Animal parent class. 2. Dog and cat override sound, method. 3. Animal.sound, works for both objects. Output: dog barks. Cat meows. White heavy check mark 8. Encapsulation. Encapsulation restricts access to certain components to protect the internal state. Protected accessible in subclass. Private accessible only within the class. Example: class car, def init self speed equals 0 hashtag private variable. Def set speed, speed speed equals speed. Def get speed, return speed. Car equals car. Car.set speed, 100. Print, car.get speed. Explanation: 1. Speed private attribute. 2. Set speed, setter method. 3. Get speed, getter method. Output: 100. White heavy check mark 9. Abstraction. Abstraction hides complex details and shows only the necessary parts. Example: from ABC import ABC, abstract method. Class animal, ABC add abstract method. Def sound, self-pass. Class dog, animal def sound, self-print, dog barks. Dog equals dog. Dog.sound. Explanation: 1. Animal abstract class. 2. Dog subclass implementing abstract method. Output: dog barks. White heavy check mark 10. Operator overloading. You can define how operators work for objects using special methods. Example: class number, def init self, value self.value equals value. Def add self, other return number, self.value plus other.value. Number 1 equals number 5. Number 2 equals number 10. Result equals number 1 plus number 2. Print, result.value. Explanation: 1. Add overloads plus operator. 2. Number 1 plus number 2 works using __add___ method. Output, 15. White heavy check mark 11. Homework. 1. Create a person class and inherit it to a student class. 2. Create a program using polymorphism with a vehicle class. 3. Implement operator overloading for plus and star. 4. Create a class using abstraction.